What happens when Japanese and Indian cuisine
Good morning. Welcome to the stream today. I appreciate you all being here, and it's been a crazy morning so far with stocks actually pulling back to the downside ever so slightly. So there they go, falling back down a little bit. Obviously, I will say SPY was very overextended last week, and we saw a huge push to the upside up above 386 all the way up to 390 there in after hours Friday. So insane moves. Just be ready for more crazy price action this week, though, guys. We are going to have the FOMC, I guess you could call it the interest rate decision, coming out at 2 p.m. Eastern time, and then Powell's going to have his press conference at 2:30 p.m. Eastern time. Now, they are pricing in a 75 basis point rate hike right now. Let's look at that percentage. So it's looking like an 86% chance of 75 basis points. And honestly, the 50 basis points keeps creeping in quicker. So interesting there to see that, earlier in the month, this was at like 89, 95, even 99.9% at one time. Now it's only at 86%. So very interesting there. Thank you for joining up, Jamie, Purdy, Bill W, and Keisha. Thank you guys for sticking around. Purdy says he's getting LUV 3650 calls for this week, 11-4. Bought 3 contracts at $64 each. Nice, Purdy. That is breaking out. My free day trade today is actually CCL. So, oh man, with LUV running, I thought maybe CCL would be up too, but damn, that one got rejected. Awesome trade though, Purdy. It looks like LUV is running up. Too bad those cruise lines aren't following along. I know LUV had earnings, but I was just hoping for a market-wide move. Yeah, Boeing's down. Delta's up a little bit, though, with LUV. That's a good positive right there. We'll take that. Hexbox says, good morning. Anybody else have the desire to open up their Bible these days with things going on in the world? Honestly, kind of. It's been crazy. It's been crazy. I actually have a Bible right under my computer, which is funny, or under my monitor. I will say, though, I'm not a big reader anymore. I used to be a huge reader from like 6th grade up to like 9th grade. Man, I read like those big 1,000-page Harry Potter books, and what else kind of books was there? There was like Harry Potter and I don't know, I can't even think of the other ones, but there was a lot of big huge books. I read like all the series of unfortunate events things, and man, those books were good back then. Ha, Keisha says, every day I think of that. Yes. I know, right? I feel like I see something that worries me every day, no matter what there is. Wow. What a crazy market, though, today, guys. I mean, just totally insane. How's AMD doing? That was one of my favorites heading into this week, because it looked like it was just right on the cusp of breaking out here. Looks like it's just kind of consolidating. We do need to break that upper level of like 62.30, maybe 62.50 even. We need to get a nice breakout here going. That's for sure. Wow, I don't know if you guys saw this or not, but Jamie just beat, or George, I mean, just beat me to it. I was actually about to say GameStop. Did you guys see this? But yeah, I looked in the chat and George had just said it. Yeah. Huge move, George. 16%. It's actually leading my watch list with Bed Bath & Beyond, or BBBY, coming in just under it. But wow, crazy move there, George. GameStop's running. Looks like it can maybe have a nice little continued push up. Wow, I mean, it's getting high. really breaking out of last week's little range it was in between 24 and 27.75. A big breakout. We'll take it. Yeah, really nice move though. I wonder how high this baby's gonna get today. What's going on? What's happening? Oops, clicked the wrong button, guys. Oh, good. It did that thing where it asked me, like, are you sure you want to allow this app to make changes? Sorry about that. I clicked on good old Thinkorswim. Keisha says wheat is having a nice pop. W-E-A-T. Hell yes. Let's see it, Keisha. It needs to get back up there a little bit. I've been watching ZW or wheat futures quite a bit. And this morning, they had the big dip down, and now they recovered back up in a huge way. So, what a weird move, Keisha. Like, look at that candle on these futures this morning. That is... What a weird breakdown and then crazy recovery. Interesting. Yeah, I agree though, Keisha. I think WEAT will be a pretty good play here for the next few weeks. Even if today it starts consolidating real weird, just keep it on the radar for tomorrow. I think it can change its luck. It's just probably moving down today because everybody probably bought it last night because of the because of the Ukraine issues. I really think that's huge though. Russia's revoking their Black Sea grain deal. Or well, they're having a suspension of it, but wow. What a crazy article, though, guys. I suggest you guys check this out if you guys want to. I'll throw it into the comments section for you. But yeah, what a crazy, crazy article, crazy thing by Russia again. Probably gonna send grain prices through the roof. Maybe Russia's just been keeping a lot of grain so that they can sell it all now once it goes up. No, I'm just joking. I doubt they did that, but that would seem like something they might try. Xbox says PTRA and QS. PTRA, I've never heard of that one. Pro Terra. Interesting. Wow, the daily chart looks pretty good. I mean, it's been bouncing off support in a huge way. Has like an inverse head and shoulders going on. I mean, I'll take that. PTRA looks pretty solid. I don't know what they do, but chart-wise, pretty good. This one, QS QuantumScapes, I've heard of these guys quite a bit. Now, their chart's looking a lot worse. If they end up falling below that low here, it's going to be game over. But again, it's at big support. And then you said, I know what you mean about not wanting to read. I have found it difficult most of the time. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. You know, I had a big phase where I read all the time. And nowadays with YouTube and stuff, reading is just, I feel like it's just, it's not like a lost art, obviously, because you have to read, but I feel like it's just one of those weird things that as you go forward, like we're gonna like develop in a different way where like our minds are more catered towards action, I guess. I don't know. I wish I could explain myself, but yeah, I mean, I love reading. I always buy books. You know, I don't know if you guys do that. I buy a bunch of books and then I never read them. I've got like 10 books here right around me. And I just don't read them. All right. Hey, good morning, Marty. Hopefully you're having a great day. Same thing with you, Corbin. Thanks for being here. Corbin said, tried to sell, didn't get filled, took a loss. On what, Corbin? Wow, what were you playing? Damn. Was it wheat? GameStop? Keisha says the prophecy is being fulfilled. Oh, shit. Damn, Keisha, I'm not gonna ask what the prophecy is, but what's going on that makes it become fulfilled right now, I guess is what I'm gonna ask. Scalp some Apple calls 2 weeks out at 155, Corbin says. 155. Let's see. Got some 155 calls 2 weeks out. I see what you're saying. Wow, Apple does have some support there on 152.60 or 152.50. Yeah, definitely not the move down we wanted today, though. Definitely not. Probably a good idea you're getting out of that scalp quickly, Corbin. Better quick than like letting that loss run up. And if you do see it start to recover back, you can always re-enter. That's what I always love to tell people is, well, I guess if whenever you don't, well, I guess I'm lying because if you do have the PDT rule in effect, then you do kind of, have to limit your trades. But I was gonna say you could always just re-enter your day trades and just re-enter and cut those losses quick, and then just re-enter into the move back up when it happens. I've had plenty of times where re-entering has saved the day, 100%. But that doesn't always mean you have to re-enter in the right way, though, too. You can't just enter it like right now. Like I can't say, "Oh, I'm cutting Apple. Now I see a little bit of green. I'm getting back in." Like that. That can't be how it goes. Maybe if we could break above this 154 resistance intraday, would be pretty good. Unfortunately, I do deal with PDT. I need to switch over to a cash account. Yeah, exactly, Corbin. Those cash accounts are lifesavers. Everybody uses those. Those are awesome. All right, Palantir, what are you doing here? You gonna move up for us? It just looks like it's going stagnant right now, guys. There is some support around 840. I'm not sure that's gonna be able to hold up or not, though. If we start falling back down, it's probably not going to be looking good for Palantir again. I'm optimistic, though. I am optimistic this week for Palantir. I mean, it was doing well last week. It had that big push up on Wednesday, it looks like. If this baby ends up popping back up again, maybe we can get back into that for a quick day trade. All right, SPY, kind of holding up on that support from last week. I see what you're doing. Man, that head and shoulders pattern from last week was so good, guys. Holy shit. Holy crap, that was such a good play. I mean, it's so textbook. Textbook to the book. Like, I mean, these shoulder lines or neck lines held up perfectly. Beautiful. We had a big support down here right around 381.50 as well. Had that bottom support close to 374. Couldn't have it played out any perfectly. Oh yeah, LUNC. Xbox gave up on LUNC. He spent a little over 600. Got a little over 1,200 on it. So you spend 600, got 1,200. I'm a little bit lost by it, Xbox. You gave up on Lunk. I spent a little over 600 and got a little over 1,200 on it. Does that mean you won? Did you win 600? Did you win? I think that means you won based on what you said. Wow, did someone like buy this company out? I mean, this is weird price action. Oh! You're talking about Luna, aren't you? No, Luna Classic. Here we go. That's where I went wrong. I knew what you meant. I was so confused. What is that? It's the market cap for Luna. Oh, or LUNC anyways. Interesting. Yeah, you doubled your money. Nice one, Xbox. That's what I thought you meant. When you said you gave up, I was like, did you lose? Like, I'm lost. But great job. So we have good old Luna, or Terra Classic, I should say. I hate how it's LUNC. I hate that. It always makes me think of Luna. But, yeah, what a weird move with this. This is such a crazy cryptocurrency. 0.00002. Like, wow. Check out the Euro futures. Uh-oh. Euro futures not looking good. 6E's falling. That's rough. Keisha says, when you get the chance, Tom, read 2 Timothy chapter 3 and Matthew chapter 24. It says there will be wars and rumors of wars, pestilences, earthquakes in many places, and all these are beginning of sorrows. Keep in mind, Jesus said this world would happen thousands of years ago and is being fulfilled now. Damn, Keisha. I'll definitely read it for sure. That's crazy, though. Good thing I have lots of guns and ammunition. if all this shit goes on, though, it probably won't even help. You know, it'll probably just be utter chaos. Or let's just say this: I don't even want it to help. You know, like if it gets to that point, I don't even want the weapons to help me. Just put me out of my misery at that point. At least I have the guns for fun, though, you know. At least if the government does something, Keisha, then I can do something, you know. But if it's the whole world messing up, then we're going to have some issues. Xbox says, I gave up because I was wanting to hold on like a bucking horse. That's hilarious, Xbox. That sounds like something Cornish would say right there. Oh, that's funny. Let's go see how the dollar's doing today. DXY, like a bucking horse. Oh no, the dollar. Come on. Let's break back lower. That's not what you want to see. Definitely not, guys. Wow. Let's go back to AMC and GameStop, GME. See how it's looking. Oh, still pulling back. It's all right. Xbox says it's true. There will be mocking and scoffing of the Lord in the end times, which we see now worse than ever. You know, we really do now. I'll tell you that. Nowadays, it's almost better to be an atheist than it is to be a Christian, according to, you know, half the fucking country. Fucking. I'm not gonna get too much into religion though. That's not what we're really here for. But let's see. Good old SPY falling down under 386 here. Maybe getting down to 385 today. What do you guys think about 385? That was a huge level from last week. We actually hit 385 on Friday and started bouncing back up. So what a crazy move. But yeah, good recovery there. Now it's actually falling back off now in a big way. Pretty cool. If you guys are enjoying that stream, smash that like button. We're already up to 10 likes today. I don't know how we got to 10 so quickly this morning, but hey, let's go. We'll take it. The higher the better, guys. Let's run it up. Run it up. That's a good song if you guys haven't heard it. Run it up. Actually, I need to listen to that soon, now that we said it. How's Kellogg's looking? GameStop's unhalted, Xbox said. Very nice. That must have been why it was stuck there. Let's see, it's probably just going to keep ripping down now. Let's hope not, though. Come on now. Come on now, GameStop. You can do it. You can do it. How much is the free trial? Pro. 2 charts in one window. I want 8 charts on one layout, man. If I don't get 8 charts, I don't want it. I don't know. Sometimes I think about buying these and I'm just like, think or swim. I'm like, I got think or swim. Good old AMC, though. Let's see that 5-minute chart. Yeah, I mean, no, it's no GameStop today, that's for sure, but it's moving. But yeah, let me know what you guys are looking at, what big stocks you guys see out there. We can definitely take a good look at those. So let's go see NVIDIA here, NVDA. Also, let me know how you guys' weekends were. You know, I know the weekend was pretty crazy for me. I ended up carving some pumpkins, which was cool. Carve some pumpkins. I'll actually post a picture here in the Discord chat. Let me go ahead and get there. Let me go post it up. I'll post it in discussion chat. There we go. The picture's off, guys. It's actually a really cool picture. Yeah, I will say the carving was pretty fun. They turned out really cool looking. I'll take it. I'll take it. Just go check out Discord if you want to see my carving. I wish I could post pictures in here, right? That'd be cool. How are some of these growth plays moving off of last week? Oh, shit. All right, DraftKings, let's go. Let's go. We'll take this. Anytime DraftKings is green, I will smile. Let's go. Wow. Looking like we might have a decent little breakout here. We moved up above 1530 momentarily. Yeah, Corbin, they ran up and then they just fell right back down. I will say that's a crazy move up, though. I'll take it. You also said snap, though, huh? SNAP. Interesting. Gonna have DraftKings report this Friday, though, so be ready for that one. Be ready for that one. Man, come on, DraftKings. Can we get through one earnings report, please? One positive earnings report from you. That's all I ask. I feel like the last one might not have been too bad, but the stock just still fell down the next couple weeks. Like, we need something that helps this stock move up. Like, some solid numbers. I will say, though, guys, this daily setup on DraftKings is starting to look pretty good. Pretty good. Unhalted. That's crazy with these stocks being halted again this morning. It's insane. Falling back down again. Still ripping. Ripping like pimpin'. Or Pippin. Ripping like Pippin. Michael Jordan's old guy. Scotty. Cause a lot of drama. All right, SPY looks like it's going back down towards 385. That's unfortunate. Very unfortunate. Check out that watch list again. Let's see. What's leading us up now? Win Casinos, guys. Whoa. What's going on? Win. Not bad, I guess. How about Penn? Come on. Why is Win running? Crazy recovery almost. Filling the gap? Looks like it's kind of filling that gap back up here. Interesting. I'm curious. What if I do this? I'm seeing how close this lined up. Pretty close. Pretty close. This is tempting for a play, guys. Honestly, I think getting something down here at the bottom and swinging it might not be a bad way to go. And Win is something, well, it does have strong correlation to the SPY, but I will say it has a mind of its own. There's a lot of weird casino things that matter. Win's looking very interesting. Hang on, guys. Someone asked me something about DraftKings in Discord. Told them I see $16 on DraftKings if we keep pumping up. Which I think that's possible if we keep pumping. Now, I could probably see it slowing down today, but I already had a crazy move. Ha, Bushing says I'm lurking in here like Michael Myers. That's funny. Good old Michael Myers. Gonna stab me. Don't stab me. I would not appreciate that, Bushing. You're gonna pull that bullshit where I sprint full speed and you take 2 steps and you're all caught up. I love that in the scary movies. Adam says, I'm down so much on Neo. Has to buy more on Friday. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It looks like Neo has kind of formed a decent little support, though, somewhere down here. I like that big wick down and that big move back up. I think that shows that a lot of buyers were coming in down there. So, I kind of like this play. I'm not going to lie. I kind of like buying some Neo. Hey, Corbin, let's go. He bought some meta for the long term. There we go, Corbin. Let's go. You're getting it at a great price. It might keep going down for a week or two still, but great price. Good thing you bought in when you did. You picked a great time, in my opinion. Now, meta might keep going down for a while, Corbin, so just keep that in mind. You're going to have to push through the storm with this one. But I will say, this should be a pretty damn big thing. Okay, it should be pretty big, in my opinion. These headsets that they're making are going to be the future. They eventually want to make a headset that is as light as glasses, and they want it to look like glasses, and they want you to be able to control your phone through the lenses of your glasses somehow, doing it just like a smartphone, and it'll work by eye recognition and stuff like that. So very interesting stuff. But you could even maybe have that weird shit where they microchip you, and that controls the lenses. But whatever it is, it's happening. Quran says CAT, cat. Now keep in mind, guys, that is a few years out, and that is pretty optimistic. You know, that's obviously for the long haul. The stuff with the glasses. Caterpillar, though, moving up. Quran says cat. C-A-T. Interesting. Caterpillar. What a big pop up with earnings last week. They really ran up. Let's see the daily. I mean, it's just looking so strong. Like, see how Caterpillar had this downtrend from 2018 down to 2020, and it fell down a lot and then started ripping. I feel like that's kind of what it's doing right now, and it might be back on the ripping up stage, but I feel like we might still have some ways to go and consolidate here a little bit more. But either way, it's a good setup, I feel like. And honestly, I don't think I'd buy cat at 216. I'd try to get in around 190 or 200, but that's just me. It's not bad. I like Caterpillar. It's one of the more consistent stocks on the market, at least ever since I've started trading. So not bad. I mean, honestly, I think it should do pretty well, and I think they'll do well in the future too. Caterpillar, what a crazy move today, though. Today, I'm not really too bullish on them. They looked like they were just kind of consolidating up here at the top. This is insane. DraftKings, guys, moving back to the upside. There we go. Got some good upwards momentum coming back in. We'll take it. Gagnar says, me too. I love cat, but I will like it even below 150 if possible. Nice, Gengar. Nice. Smart trading, too. You know, it's always better to wait and get in at a good price than to just jump in. And I will say, cat has been holding up a lot better than more stocks. Like, you look at Meta, obviously, it's dead, right? All the way down at lows. Cat is approaching highs here, getting closer. All right, let's go. What do we have? How about Lunk? Lunk. What is Lunkin? L-U-N-C? Damn it. Forgot Lunkin's ticker, guys. I need help. Or did they get taken off? Maybe that's what it is. Did they get taken off? Lunkin? They might have got taken off. Huh. Thought maybe there was some news with their delisting. I'm not sure. Maybe it's LNK is where I'm wrong. Ha, no. Damn it. Yeah, DraftKings approaching its daily highs, though. That's cool. Let's go, DraftKings. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on, DraftKings. Let's see the move. Come on, DraftKings. Let's fly up. Let's break that high of day. I'm optimistic for you. You've been running so far. You've been having some momentum. You just need a little bit more. You're only up 1.3% today. Not a very high percentage for something like you. You could definitely end up higher, DraftKings. So let's go. Let's go. I'm getting a little worried now. We better move up. Come on, Neo. You're having a pretty good day, too. Only up 1%, though. We need better moves. Xbox says Goog been below $95. Holy shit. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Good old Google. I will say, though, Google had quite the explosion with COVID. I don't know if you guys have noticed this, but a lot of the stuff that exploded with COVID is like kind of started to pull back down a little bit. Interesting. Wow. Apparently wind's running up because Tillman Fertitta or something took a 6.1% stake in the company. So, interesting. Wynn casinos have been really selling off, guys. It's in a pretty good trend right now, kind of bouncing well off the current trend line. I don't think this would be a bad little continuation play. This could be pretty good in my eyes. Shopify. Hey, Shop is breaking out, Saram. It's moving. Let's see on that 5-minute chart. Wow. Big breakout up above 35 right there. Very nice. Very, very nice. Let's see that 1-hour chart. Awesome. Whoa. There we go. Now it loaded. Awesome breakout, though. It's even breaking the recent high of like last week around 35.88. 36 bucks. Got real close. There's even some slight resistance around 36.33. So be a little careful of that. I will say, though, I'm really kind of looking at the length of this uptrend there. I feel like we could have about the same length of an uptrend here as we did heading up. That's how some of these flag plays work out. We got to kind of start it lower, though. Kind of like right there. Maybe we could get to like 38. Maybe 38 or 40. That would be pretty big if we could get to 40 soon. But this setup looks pretty good, guys. Watch it for a nice continuation play. Shopify has been due to move for a little while, so keep it on the radar. I think it could go higher, possibly. It might not happen right away, but watch that breakout of that high day at 36. A break of 36 could be good. Always keep a fake out in the back of your mind. You know, have a nice strategy if something bad goes wrong, but looks pretty good to me. Actually, I might just stay here. It looks like we're going to break 36 right now. If not break it, at least we're testing it again. This is where we'll see, though, if we're going to break it or just test it here. I hope that we don't have any slight like pullbacks or anything like that intraday. That would suck. I'd like to see a big break right here. See some nice buyers come in maybe above that break too. Could be pretty big, especially with it already moving 4.9% today. It's probably up quite a bit on a lot of watch lists, I would guess or think. I saw this morning Tom Brady was selling his Tampa Bay home. I don't know if you guys are interested in that drama at all with Tom Brady. I'm not really too interested in that, but figured I'd mention it. Interesting. He's selling his house for like 12 million bucks. And he's been sucking it up lately too. Man, Tom Brady's been coming down lately. Woo. This divorce got him messed up. I'm not sure if it's the divorce or just weird circumstances or what, but weird. Tom Brady's never done bad before, and he's had other weird things go on. I mean, he's had other issues in the past with stuff like this. Damn, CCL just kept getting rejected today. That sucks. Looks like that day trade's going to be a no play in the day trading channel for that one, which is quite okay. Sometimes that happens. You just have to know when not to play, when to play. Like AMD just having a lot of trouble staying above 60 here. Maybe today will be the day it stays up above, but yeah, we've had a lot of issues here at 60. Good old AMD. Gotta love it. What about AT&T? Have you guys been liking T at all lately? I mean, that thing's been on quite the uptrend. I will say, though, you had to buy in low. Buying in right now probably isn't the smartest after this type of uptrend. Holy crap. Thing really exploded. And I love this play because it got right up into resistance. Right up into it, right around 1850. I had a pretty good little rejection there, actually. We'll take it. That's not bad. Not too bad at all, I'd say. Mike Chang says, hey guys, I'm back from COVID. What did I miss? I heard Apple was slow last week. Slow? Are you kidding? I hope you're joking around. Wow, because that was an explosion. Haha, Mike. Yeah, they had some good earnings, actually. The earnings were good all across the board, really. They beat on like Mac revenue, but they missed on iPhone revenue a little bit, so a little weird there. But even though they missed on their iPhone revenue estimates a little bit, they still said that they countered industry trends, and compared to other, parts of the industry, they did a lot better. So sounds pretty good for him, Mike, honestly. Sounds pretty good. We have Apple, SPY, SPY 368. Or, 386. Interesting. 368 used to be a pretty big level, I think, on SPY a couple of weeks ago. Let's see. Yeah, it definitely was. 368 to 370, big support. I'm really hoping that 385 level keeps holding, though, this morning. We need that to hold. We really need that to hold for us, guys. And, like it says right here, don't forget to smash that like button, guys. That'll really help us out. Gotta go to the 1 minute for it. There we go. That's funny. It gets all messed up depending on which time frame you're on. Come on, though, DraftKings. Let's go. Come on, get the breakout. Come on, break 1540. Break 1540. This looks pretty bullish, guys. I can't lie. It looks pretty good. Wow, Mike. I'm glad you got through COVID, though. That's rough. I had COVID a while ago, too, and yeah, it was a lot worse than I thought it would be. I'll say that. At least I got it kind of bad. I had it for like 2 weeks in a row. 2 full weeks of that. It was crazy, Mike. So I'm glad you're feeling better. I hope you didn't miss too much. You're definitely not missing this breakout on DraftKings right now, baby. Let's go. Let's go, guys. This is awesome. Very nice. Keep going, DraftKings. Come on. It knows it wants to, you know. That's the thing. It wants to. Come on. Of course, guys, don't forget to be here for Big Daddy this week on Wednesday. That's going to be a pretty big event. We're going to have Big Daddy Powell speaking at... Here, I'll pull it up for you guys. We're going to have the interest rate decision at 2 p.m. Eastern, and Big Daddy speaks at 2:30 p.m. Eastern time. So be ready for that volatility. Big Daddy likes to move the market, so be ready for it. It's going to be a pretty crazy event. Man, these interest rate decisions are getting nuts lately. Xbox says, how long has the stocked up live streams been going on? Oh, the streams themselves, Xbox, I think... Oh, man, it's been... I keep losing track of time lately. It's been so long now. I think the stream probably for like a year or something like that. Xbox, maybe a year and a half. Mike was with me doing them for a while, but Mike got super busy. In the mornings, Mike is obviously, he's doing so much stuff, whether it's coding bots or editing code or helping people get into Discord. I mean, there's all types of stuff that Mike's been doing in the background. Of course, he's got to manage his accounts too. He's got a ton of crazy plays going on shorting puts and covered calls and tons of plays. So Bushing says IWM. Been a while since we looked at the Russell, huh? Yeah, looking pretty good today. Coming back up in a good way. Let's see SPY. SPY, yeah, IWM's looking a lot better. I'll take it. Let's go. 5-minute chart looking decent. Moving up above 183. All right. I'll take that. A good move above 183. Not bad. Definitely not bad. What else we got moving here? Nvidia. Wow, Nvidia's pulling back here. Interesting. I wonder if we're gonna see like a bigger pullback or not. Corbin says, I was there when it was written. Nice. Do you mean the don't forget to hit the like button thing? A little confused now. Good old Nvidia though, and IWM. We'll take those. $181.50 is decent support on IWM. It had a decent little bounce. I'm glad we broke 183, but it looks like now it's going to be pulling back down into that, which is a little bit unfortunate. Slightly unfortunate. CVS. 94.59. Look at that. What is up with this today, guys? CVS Pharmacy died and came back from the dead. What the? Something had to happen with this one. Let me check out the news real quick. Let's see if we can see anything here. CVS Pharmacy. Crazy recovery. I don't see anything for him. Sure, I don't. Interesting, though. Good recovery. Maybe it's just because it's on the 1 minute chart. Ooh, guys, poor Palantir. Uh-oh. Palantir's kind of falling back off. Ooh, that's rough. Man, that's terrible. All right. Getting some good plays. All right, Spy. I see that rejection at 387. Gonna have to play that 387 level as a good resistance here. I think if we can break back above that, though, might be able to have an intraday recovery play with that support at 385. Watch this for a move back up, guys. If it breaks out here, I think you could see a pretty decent move, and you guys will be pretty happy with it. It won't be anything overly crazy, but it'll be good. It'll be solid. Oh, you were there for the first live stream. Haha, I see, Corbin. I see what you're saying. That's awesome. Here since day one. That's quite the accomplishment, Corbin. I gotta give you a bit of like a round of applause for that one. That's cool, Corbin. I'm sure some other people in here were here since day one, but wow. Oh man, guys, look at Roblox. Uh-oh. Yeah, be careful with this one, guys. I think we're gonna see a big sell-off here, possibly. This is not good. Not what you want to see at all. Wow, that better not be hurting DraftKings. No hurting DraftKings. The more DraftKings moves over, it keeps moving further and further right. Come on. Big double top there. We need to see a big break. That's really what I want. As long as DraftKings moves here, I'll be happy. Mike says, I was kidding about Apple. That's my biggest holding in my portfolio. I was able to listen in on the live streams. Good coaching and tips on options last week. Hey, good stuff, Mike. Glad you're saying that. Yeah, I was having some fun talking about those cash secured puts and then talking about covered calls and stuff like that. Always down to talk that type of stuff. Really helps out. Come on, DraftKings. No, I'm turning it off. Got some red coming in. We're turning it off now, guys. Gotta get that stuff out of here. No red. I'm just kidding. Red's always a part of the market. FSLR is doing pretty good, I see. Wow. FSLR with the post-earnings run here today. Held up very well. Good old FSLR. What about Enphase here? I mean, I feel like Enphase could be another one running up with FSLR. Oh, it's not. It's okay. It's all right. What about Ford? Whoa, look at Ford, guys, actually still going. I will say, guys, you got to be careful with this one. Big resistance coming up around 1362 to 14. So be very careful around 1360 to 14. 14 seems to be a huge resistance here. I will say, though, I'm liking the setup on Ford quite a bit. I think it's pretty good. Ford. Looking okay. Moving up a little bit. What about General Motors? Corbin says, I'm a stocked up OG. That's right. Stocked up OG. Mike Chang says, I've been here since the Wall Street bets and GME craze. Nice. Nice. You've also been here quite a while, but that's crazy. That's cool. Good old GME and AMC. Talking about those two, I mean, they had quite the volatility again this morning. Again. Jeez, they just keep flying and being weird. LVS. What else we have? Caterpillar. How about Walmart and Costco? We haven't mentioned those two today. And Keisha, you haven't been mentioning Johnson & Johnson, and I can see why. Wow, it's finally red today, Keisha. Who would have known? I feel like every day we talk about this stock, it flies up, so that's crazy. Poor Johnson & Johnson. It's not holding up good enough today, Keisha. Mike Chang says, I believe the stream started shortly after that. I think you guys were just doing the night videos at the time. I can't remember. Oh, yeah, you're right, Mike. It's the streams, like I said, have been probably like a year and a half, maybe, I think. Yeah, we did start him a little bit late. Keisha says, I'm glad I took profits last week. Hell yeah, Keisha. Great play. Great play, great move overall. Amazing. KR is still printing. Every time Keisha mentions a stock, it flies up. She's the new Pelosi. Oh no. Don't be giving her that type of... Oh, Keisha, I feel bad. Oh, that's disrespectful to Keisha, Mike. How dare you? That's disrespectful. I'm sorry, I'm sorry he said that, Keisha. Oh. Oh no. OLLI she likes. Is that a real stock? Oh, it is. Okay. Ollie's Bargain Outlet. What the hell? I've never even heard of this. Interesting. Ooh, is this a good trend or am I seeing shit? Let's see, Keisha. Keisha, we might be seeing something here. It's awfully close to lining up, isn't it? So we just had a big like W, pulled back down a little bit. Looks like a cup and handles almost here. There's a cup and handles, guys. You guys seeing what I'm seeing? Here, let's go. Let's go see. Let's go see. Pretty sure we're seeing that though. Let's see here. Come. Yeah, I'm seeing like some cups and handles going on. Hell yeah. It's been a while since I've looked at cup and handles exactly, but yeah, you can see we have like this going on. Now we're looking for this. It's exactly what we want, guys, right there. Maybe something up into like this range, somewhere up here. Up around like 80 plus, I think we could see, possibly. With this one. Looks pretty good, though. OLLI, I kind of like it. Like the setup. Interesting. Really does look like a cup and handles, though. Or a cup and handle, I should say. She also said KR was doing well. Let's see. Kroger. Wow. Pretty crazy, though. Xbox says, "Damn, Mike Chang talking like an OG. He has the humble beginnings in memory." That's right, Xbox. He really is an OG. Look at that. That's interesting. And Corbin's an OG too, almost. Like, wow. You guys are all OGs almost. Besides Xbox. Xbox is a young blood. I'm just joking, Xbox. I had to say it. I had to say it. Mike says, I meant that as a compliment. Oh, I know, Mike. I know. I was just joking. She knew I was joking. She knew. CVS is probably running pre-earnings, Keisha says. Yeah, probably. You're probably right about that. It was having a... That recovery today was something else. I couldn't believe the way it fell. And then the way it just, like, exploded right back up. It was insane. But hey, I appreciate all you guys joining up today. I've had a pretty good day. I hope you guys are having a good day so far as well. Hope you guys had a great weekend. And I didn't say this yet, but happy Halloween. Let's go, guys. It's Halloween day. I posted some pictures of my jack-o'-lanterns in the Discord if you guys want to go check that out in discussion from earlier. But yeah, thank you guys for being here. Thanks Xbox, Keisha, Mike, Corbin, Marty Longoria, Bushing. Thank you for stalking the chat. Gengar, Saram, Nines, I appreciate you. Sorry, I missed your question earlier. Nines, you asked about and avoid the idea of getting stole. Oh, I see you were talking about automating some algos. Sorry about that, Nines. Please ask me tomorrow. I missed that one. Bushing, Corbin, Karan, Adam, thanks for joining. George. Wow, I had a pretty good day today, guys. Purdy, Bill W, Jamie. Thank you guys for being here. I appreciate everybody. Have a great rest of your day. Have a happy Halloween. I hope you guys are able to have some fun tonight. I know I'm going to hand out some candy and watch some Halloween movies, probably some kid ones. I'm not into the scary stuff. I'm a bit of a girl when it comes to that stuff, but I appreciate you guys. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys in the Discord. And as always, don't forget to fucking kill it today, guys. Let's make some money. Let's go. Talk to you guys later.